Hey everyone, welcome back to another easy Excel tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to password protect a worksheet. This will prevent anyone from making any edits to the worksheet. Very easy. All you have to do is go over to the Review tab in the ribbon here. We're going to select Protect Worksheet, and we can input a password here. So I'm just going to do hello123, hit OK. It'll ask you to re-enter the password, hello123, and now we can see that we are not able to make any changes to any of the fields or cells on the worksheet. So that is how we can protect the entire worksheet, but let's say we wanted to only protect certain columns or certain cells. So let me just quickly unprotect the worksheet here, hello123. And I want to protect all of the columns, all of the cells in the worksheet, except for column J. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select column J. I'll right click, hit Format Cells, and then over here in the Protection tab where it says Locked, we're just going to uncheck that, hit OK, and then again we'll protect our worksheet. Hello123, hello123. And now we can see that everything on the worksheet is locked. So we can just verify that by trying to edit any of the cells here. However, we are able to edit column J. So that's just an example of how you can protect an entire worksheet or just certain cells within a worksheet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll be back with more easy Excel tutorials.